Hi, today we are going to discuss about how to automate Orange HRM login page by entering valid username and valid password. So here in the main method we are writing the code. This is the main method public static void main string argument WebDriver driver equals to new Chrome driver is for launching the empty browser. WebDriver is nothing but the interface. Driver is nothing but the browser. New is the keyword and Chrome driver is a class. Driver.get. It is a method to use to navigate to the browser or this URL of Orange HRM. Thread.sleep. It it stops for 2 seconds on a browser. It's the main this thread.sleep is used to stop the execution of a program in the current thread for a certain time as per the duration specified in this parameter 2 seconds or 5 seconds any parameter you are passing in that driver.manage.windows.maximize it maximize the browser. Here driver.findElement by XPath. Driver represents a browser dot find element. Find element method is used to find the only one web element on the web page. By is the class dot XPath. By using XPath, we are finding the web element on the web page. Here, this is the username and this is the password. Right click on the browser, inspect the web element, then we want to find this particular username field, then go on to this arrow, then go back to the username field. Here this line is come when you are click on this username field, then input is nothing but a tag name. Class is the attribute name. Name is the attribute name. Placeholder is attribute name. And this is the attribute value. Name is the attribute name and username is the attribute value. By using this name and username, we are going to find the web element on this username field. Control plus F. By using XPath, we are going to find this username. Then the syntax of XPath is // tag name. What is the tag name of this username? Tag name is input and attribute name is the name and attribute value is the username. Then tag name is input, then attribute name is what? Name equals to attribute value equals to this is the attribute value. This is the attribute value. We are copying this username control plus C and paste within the parenthesis. Here we are uniquely find this username field by using this XPath. Copy this XPath and paste within this XPath. Input at the rate name equals to username. Paste within this. This is for the username XPath. And find element is the method. It returns the web element. Type username. By using this username, we are using the send key method to send this particular username admin to web page. In this field we are going to enter this admin username by using this xpath. Then username dot send keys admin. Stop for 2 seconds. We are adding the threads after typing the username or entering the username. Then we are going to find the password field. This password field we are written here. Web element password driver dot find element by xpath. We are also finding the xpath of password. Then go on this arrow, click on this password field, then this line is come. Go on this arrow, click on this password, this line is come, is for the password. It is input is the tag name is attribute name, and password is attribute value. Copy this password, go on to this field, double forward slash input in bracket at the rate the attribute name equals to name equals to in parenthesis attribute value, copy paste password. You are uniquely find the password web element by using this xpath. Copy this xpath and paste within this by dot xpath field. When you are paste this xpath in this field, this all xpath is stored in this password variable. By using this password, we are using the send keys method to entering the password in this field. Then password dot send keys, password dot send keys. Here we are show that password dot it open this all the ways we are using the send keys method to entering the password. Go on this web page, copy this password and paste within this portion. After that semicolon, control plus s. Same kind of process we are repeating to find the login button on the web page. This is the login button, and therefore we are finding the XPath for the login button. Go on this arrow, click on the login button. This line is come. After that button, tag name is button, type is the attribute name, and submit is the attribute type. Control plus C, control plus F. Then tag name is button. After in bracket at the rate attribute name is type equals to in parenthesis submit. Here you are able to look that we are missing the double forward slash. That's why this xpath this is xpath is not correct. When you are entering this double forward slash, then you look at that we are finding the element uniquely when we are writing this double forward slash. When we are removing this double forward slash, then web element is not finding the uniquely. When we are writing the double forward slash, we are finding the web element uniquely. Copy this xpath and paste within this method find element by xpath, type submit. After that we are writing the web element, all this xpath is stored in this element variable. By using this element we are writing the submit method, and when you are writing the submit, it's easily click on this login button. Then here we are adding the thread.sleep for 5 seconds, and after that quit this browser, and here we are show on the console username and password entered successfully and clicked on the login button. Then we are run this program, and what happened? After that, maximize the browser, username entered, password is also entered, clicked on the login button, yes, then browser quit, and here username and password entered successfully and clicked on the login button is also show on this console. It means our program is successfully run. Thank you for watching this video.